In this video, we are asked to simplify this nested exponential expression. So let's get started. So we have it that root of 160 times r squared plus root of 71 r raised to the power of 4 plus root of 100 r raised to the power of 8. So at this point, we start with the innermost expression. So we have that this is root of 100 multiplied by r raised to the power of 8. So this can be expressed as 100 r raised to the power of 8 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So at this point, we have that this is 100 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times r raised to the power of 8 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So at this point, I just applied the product power law. So if I have a multiplied by b all to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. So now we can have that this is 10 squared all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times r raised to the power of 8 divided by 2. So at this point, 2 cancel out 2. So we have 10 times. So 2 come into itself, we have 1. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So we have r raised to the power of 4, which is equal to 10 times r raised to the power of 4. Now, we replace this expression here with this. So we have it that root of 160 r squared plus root of 71 r raised to the power of 4 plus 10 multiplied by r raised to the power of 4. Now we have this. Okay, now at this point, let's also consider this expression here. So we have it that the root of 71 r to the power of 4 plus 10 raised to the power r to the power of 4 is equal to the root of 81 r to the power of 4. Now this can further be expressed as 81 r to the power of 4 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 81 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times r raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So at this point, we have it that this can be 9 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times r raised to the power of 4 divided by 2. So 2 can cancel out 2 at this point, and then 2 divided itself is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have that this is 9r squared. So where we have this particular expression here, we replace with this. So therefore, our expression now will reduce to, so we have root of 160 r to the power of 2 plus 9r squared. So at this point, this becomes root of 169 r squared. Again, this is 169 r squared all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So from product power law, we have it that this is 169 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times r squared raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. So 2 here can cancel out 2 here, and 39 can be expressed in powers of base 13. So we have 13 squared all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 times r. So at this point, 2 will cancel out 2. So this becomes 13r. So therefore, we have been able to simplify that a nested root equation given to us is equal to 13r. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I will see you in my next video.